just gonna ask you to talk.
Hi there. Yes. My name is Ingrid. Yes. I'm a friend of Kaisa. She's here, and we're gonna cook some Thai food.
Hello there.
Yes. We are making Thai with rice and chicken, red curry,
And vegetables.
vegetables. Yes, vegetables.
Yes.
And with it, we will have ramlösa. Yes. No,
I don't.
we don't have any chocolate though. That sucks. We'll probably have to eat her dog. It's right there.
Don't eat my dog. You can't eat my dog.
Meet kajsahallin's dog,
Kim.
Say hi to the audience, Kim. Yes, dog.
Doggy.
Yes. Okay. If this ever ends up on Facebook, I will kill Kaisa. And we will not be friends anymore.
Oh, that's great. Then I know exactly what to do.
Okay, so all you should come on Wednesday at 7 at Marks gymnasieskola and watch ES3's musical Rent. Yes.
Rent?
Because do you know who is in charge of the sound effects? Yes. That's me. Yes. And I'm only in the first grade.
What did you say?
Jag säger att jag har väldigt engelska.
One grade.
One grade. Baby Tom Hanks. Meet my friend.
Hello there.
People say that we are lookalikes.
Yes.
Yes. But I have blonde hair now.
Yeah.
What if I had dark hair?
What if
I had dark hair? Just like that. Now I look like I'm a boy. Okay.
Okay.
You totally picture me in this. No? This? I'm sorry.
Yes, I can.
Can touch it. It's really soft.
Is it?
What conditioner do you use?
I use really damaged hair conditioner.
Well, right. My hair is really damaged, so my hairdresser will probably need to cut it off.
Yes.
About this much.
This is how much we care about that.
Kaisa just recorded a new video.
Did I?
Yes, of when she sings the Lazy song by Bruno Mars.
I did.
Did you do that just before I came?
Yes, I did.
Yes, she did. She sang it, and it was beautiful. So y'all should
You haven't heard it?
No, but I know it's beautiful because you sang it. So y'all should go look it up because it's great. It's on this channel. I hope it's not on YouTube, but if this ends
will
up
be
on
YouTube.
Okay, well then it will be on her channel.
Yes.
How many people do watch your videos? Like every video, how many views do you get?
Like one of my videos have like 14,000.
That's a
And
whole
I have
lot.
like a lot of videos, like 600, and then I have a lot of videos, like 100. So not a lot of people watch my videos.
Well, that's kind of a lot though. I don't have any. What do you do? What do you mean what I do? I blog.
Yes, she's a blogger, and I don't read it, but I heard it's good.
She doesn't read my freaking blog.
No.
It hurts my feelings though. So you should.
I'm not gonna.
I will make her write my blog address down below. Yes, down here somewhere. Unless she turns me upside down like she did in the Vote For Me video. Yes. Kajsa in the action of cooking.
Yes.
Doesn't she look fabulous today? Look at that. Look at that, what she's wearing. She looks fabulous. Fabulous. Yes, I didn't have the energy to dress up for you.
Thank you.
I'm like, pilla mycket mitt hår. I am thinking of dyeing my hair brown.
Yes, I think you should.
She thinks I should.
Yes.
Maybe I should. I have a big outgrowth. Or something.
Outgrowth.
Yes.
And I just took my bracelet out.
Yes, you did! Det looks... Det ser fantastiskt ut. Det gör det.
Tycker du det?
Jag tycker det. Jag tycker det. Jag tycker det. Så titta vad fint de skrattar. Titta vad fint de skrattar.
Titta vad fint!
Och när hon åker till USA sen, alla kommer bara vara tänderna. Jag röstar på henne. Det kommer vara så.
Yes.
Yes. Have you all been voting for her?
Have you voted for me?
Have you voted for her? Do you read my blog? I like wrote about it there. Yes.
Yes.
I also tweeted about it. Yes. We can put the link in the description box down
here
somewhere.
Here. Yes. Yes.
So you all can go and vote for her.
5 stars would be awesome.
5 stars would be great. We would love 5 stars for her. Many times I've like voted.
Many times.
Maybe all put together I voted around 100 times or something.
100.
I hope so.
I have voted for like 1,000 votes. So, 1,000 times for me.
Yes, but that's
Yes. So why haven't you voted as many times, Ingrid?
because I have a life. Yes. Her baby brother also voted for her about 1,000 times.
Because you have a life. You don't think I have a life?
No.
Nah.
No.
Maybe we should go cook the food.
Maybe we should go cook the food. Maybe we should end this.
Should we?
Yes.
No.
Look at my eyes. They look like doll eyes. Yeah, freaky.
I think we look alike. It's just I have huge lips.
I don't have any lips, so you should be happy.
Is it? You have to. Oh.
Like this.
Yes.
That's
Ja,
not-
likadana läppar nu.
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Now I shall disappear, and this shall end.